A car drives through 3 sets of traffic lights. The probability of the traffic lights showing a red light is 1 over 5. What is the probability that the car will first stop at a red light at the first light, second light, and third light? We fill in our probabilities for the 2 events. So we have success or failure. Success is a red light, and the probability of that is 1 over 5. That was told us in the question. And failure is not red. So 1 minus 1 over 5 is 4 over 5. So the probability of it not being a red light is 4 over 5. So part 1, we want the probability that the car will first stop at a red light at the first light. So we want the first light to be red. So we are looking for red as an outcome. So the probability of stopping at the first light is going to be 1 over 5. Next, we want the probability that the car will first stop at a red light at the second light. So if it is to be a red light at the second light, it means we have F comma or. So we have failure at the first light, which means it's not red, and red at the second light. So the desired outcome is not red, comma red, or failure, comma red. So remember, the probability of failure or not red is 4 over 5. So it's going to be not red and red, or you could say failure and red, and remember and means multiply. And the probability of red is 1 over 5, that was told us in the question. So it's going to be 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 5, which is 4 over 25. So the probability of the second light being red, which is really going to be fail and red, is going to be 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 5, which is 4 over 25. And the last question, what's the probability that the car will first stop at a red light at the third light? So if the third light is to be red, it means we're going to have F comma or. So fail and red. Or not red and red. So the desired outcome is not red, not red, red. So the probability of it not being red, remember, is 4 over 5. So it's going to be 4 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 5. So remember, it's failure and red. So 4 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 5, which is 16 over 125. So the probability that the third light is red is 16 over 125.